Hello, dream, tiny house design and luxury viewers. Hidden in the forests of Virginia, this isn't just a house. It's an underground Hobbit-style dome built straight out of a dream, with its round yellow door, curved walls, and living green rooftop. This cozy tiny home blends fantasy and off-grid living like never before. Step inside and you'll find warm wood interiors, rustic details, and a design that wraps you in peace and comfort. It's not your average tiny house. It's a whole new way of living. Stay with the video and watch the full tour of this magical and unique home. So what's it really like to live in a Hobbit-style dome, off the grid, yet wrapped in luxury? So sit back, relax, and get inspired, because the inside story is even more magical than the outside. Could you see yourself living in a cozy underground house like this? Or is it just too different from modern life? Let us know in the comments. And if you love tiny homes, off-grid retreats, and fairy tale architecture, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got more magical tours coming your way.